The Trek 687A is a multi-output power supply capable of 400 volts of DC, used in an electrostatic chuck for a semiconductor tool. ERD has rebuilt many of these high-voltage output power supplies, and this one has the distinction of having multiple outputs, which we had to rebuild and check out. As shown in the video, we are testing the output on a high voltage load we built in-house and verifying it with a scope using a high voltage probe. This test is checking one channel, which is then repeated to check the other channels. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.